Part 1. The Journey Begins, Awakening the Confidence Within. A message from my heart to you. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Now, I want you to imagine the best version of yourself, the one who walks into a room with their head high, the one who speaks English fluently without fear, the one who smiles confidently even when they make mistakes. Can you see that person? That person is already inside you. Yes, within you right now, waiting to be awakened. I know what you might be thinking, but I'm shy, I'm scared, I make mistakes. I'm not like those confident people I see online. Let me tell you something from my heart. Confidence is not a gift you are born with. It's a skill you build day by day. And you, my friend, have everything you need to become confident in English, in life, in yourself. In today's video, we're going on a powerful journey. This is not just about learning English or improving pronunciation. This is about building emotional strength, psychological resilience, and unshakable self-belief. Are you ready? Let's go. Chapter 1. Understand what confidence really is. First, we need to break the myth. Many people think confidence means never feeling nervous, never failing, or never making mistakes. But that's not true. Confidence is not the absence of fear. It's the ability to act despite fear. Psychologically, confidence comes from self-efficacy, your belief in your ability to succeed in a specific situation. It's not about being perfect. It's about trusting that you can handle whatever comes your way. Think about a child learning to walk. They fall down 100 times, but do they stop trying? No, they keep going because they believe, I can do this. That's self-efficacy. That's confidence. When you're learning English, confidence doesn't mean speaking perfectly. It means believing, I can communicate, I can connect, I can learn from mistakes. Chapter 2. Silence the inner critic. Inside all of us, there's a voice. Sometimes, that voice is a cheerleader. You've got this. Keep going. But often, it's a critic. You're not good enough. You'll embarrass yourself. Psychologists call this the inner critic, and it's one of the biggest enemies of confidence. Here's the truth. That voice is not you. It's just noise in your mind. When you hear the critic, don't fight it or believe it. Simply say, thank you, but I'm busy learning. For example, when you're practicing English and the critic says, you sound stupid, reply in your mind, I'm learning, and learning is beautiful. By separating yourself from the critic, you give yourself space to grow. Chapter 3. Shift focus from perfection to progress. Perfectionism kills confidence. It creates impossible standards, and when you fail to meet them, you feel ashamed. Instead, focus on progress. Ask yourself at the end of each day, did I learn one new word today? Did I try to speak, even if it was hard? Did I practice for even 5 minutes? Each yes is a victory. Each small win builds momentum. Psychologically, this taps into what's called the progress principle. When we see progress, no matter how small, our brain releases dopamine, making us feel good and encouraging us to keep going. So don't wait to feel confident after you become fluent. Let confidence grow with every step. Chapter 4. Build a confident identity. We act according to the stories we tell ourselves. If you keep telling yourself, I'm shy, I'm bad at English, I'm not confident, you will live inside that story. But here's the exciting part. You can change the story. Start telling yourself a new narrative. I'm a brave learner. I'm improving every day. I'm becoming confident. This is called identity-based change, and research shows it's one of the most powerful ways to transform behavior. Write down your new identity. Repeat it to yourself every morning. Watch how you start behaving differently. Chapter 5. Use the power of body language. Confidence is not just in the mind, it's in the body. Psychologist Amy Cuddy's famous research on power poses shows that when we change our posture, standing tall, shoulders back, chin up, we actually feel more confident. Try this before you practice English. Stand in front of a mirror. Take a deep breath. Roll your shoulders back. Smile. Notice how your energy shifts. When you look confident, you feel confident. And when you feel confident, you act confident. Chapter 6. Surround yourself with support. Confidence doesn't grow in isolation. We need a supportive environment. Find people who encourage you, not criticize you. Join English-speaking groups, practice with friends, or even just watch motivational YouTube channels that lift your spirits. Psychologically, this is called social reinforcement. We become more confident when we receive positive feedback from others. And remember, you can be your own best supporter too. Cheer for yourself. Celebrate your efforts. Be the kind of friend to yourself that you wish you had. Chapter 7. Take action before you feel ready. Here's a secret. You don't need to feel confident to act confident. In fact, action creates confidence. The more you practice speaking English, even when you're nervous, the stronger your confidence muscle becomes. This is called behavioral activation in psychology. Doing the thing you fear reduces the fear. So don't wait until you feel ready. Start now. Make a short video of yourself speaking English. Join a conversation club. Introduce yourself to someone in English. Every time you act, you prove to yourself, I can do this. Chapter 8. Embrace mistakes as part of growth. Mistakes are not failures, they are feedback. Babies don't cry because they fall, they laugh and get up again. Language learners should do the same. Psychologically, this is called having a growth mindset, believing that abilities can improve with effort. Instead of thinking, I failed, think, I'm learning. Next time you make a mistake in English, smile and say, great, that's how I grow. Chapter 9. Visualize your confident self. Before you practice English, take a minute to visualize success. Imagine yourself speaking fluently. See yourself smiling and relaxed. Feel the confidence in your body. Athletes and performers use visualization to prepare their minds, and it works for language learners too. Your brain can't tell the difference between a real and imagined experience. So when you visualize success, you prepare yourself for real success. Chapter 10. Practice daily courage. Confidence is not a one-time achievement. It's a daily practice. Every day, do one small thing that challenges you. Speak one sentence in English. Ask one question. Watch one English video and repeat phrases aloud. These small acts of courage add up over time. As you practice courage, you rewire your brain. You become familiar with challenge. You become resilient. You become confident. Conclusion of Part 1. You are already on your way. If you've made it this far, you are already on the path to confidence. Remember, confidence is not something you wait for. It's something you build, moment by moment, choice by choice. You have everything you need inside you. You are brave. You are capable. You are enough right here, right now. In Part 2, we will go even deeper. How to handle negative people. How to master English conversations. How to turn nerves into excitement. And how to become unshakably confident in any situation. So stay tuned. Your transformation is just beginning. Part 2. Becoming unshakable. Confidence that lasts. Intro. You are stronger than you think. Before we begin, I want you to take a moment and honor yourself. Yes, honor yourself for showing up today, for deciding to grow, for believing that you can change. You see, most people give up when things get hard, but you didn't give up. You're still here. You're still trying. And that makes you powerful beyond measure. Confidence is not about being loud or perfect or fearless. It's about staying in the game, even when it's tough. So today, I want to take you even deeper into your inner power. We're going to talk about how to handle negative people, how to stay confident in conversations, how to turn fear into excitement, and how to build a confidence that nothing can shake. Are you ready to rise even higher? Let's go. Chapter 1: How to handle negative people. Let's be honest. Not everyone will support your journey. Some people will laugh at your accent. Some will criticize your grammar. Some will make you feel small. But here's the truth: their words say more about them than about you. Psychologically, negative people often criticize others because they feel insecure themselves. Their negativity is a mirror of their own fears, not a reflection of your worth. So when someone tries to put you down, don't argue, don't defend. Simply remind yourself, their opinion is not my reality. Imagine their words as raindrops sliding off a waterproof jacket. Let them fall away. Keep walking forward. Confidence means protecting your energy. Choose to listen to voices that lift you up, not drag you down. Chapter 2: Master the Art of English Conversations. One of the biggest confidence challenges is speaking English with others. You worrying, what if I don't understand? What if I can't find the words? What if they think I'm stupid? But let me tell you something powerful. Conversation is not about perfection. It's about connection. Native speakers don't care if your grammar is perfect. They care if you're kind, open, and willing to communicate. Here are 3 confidence hacks for conversations. 1. Focus on listening first. You don't need to understand every word. Listen for key words. Use context. It's okay to ask, "Sorry, could you say that again?" 2. Use simple sentences. Confidence doesn't come from using big words. It comes from expressing yourself clearly. Short, simple sentences are powerful. 3. Smile and slow down. A smile shows friendliness and lowers tension. Speaking slower gives your brain time to find words. Confidence grows when you're not rushing. Remember, every conversation is practice. Every mistake is learning. Every connection is progress. Chapter 3: Turn nerves into excitement. Do you feel nervous before speaking English? Guess what? That nervous energy is the same energy as excitement. Psychologists call this reappraisal. When you change the way you label a feeling, you change how it affects you. Next time you feel your heart racing before speaking, tell yourself, "I'm excited. This means I care. This means I'm growing." That simple shift will help you use your energy positively instead of fearfully. Chapter 4: Prepare, but don't over-prepare. Many learners try to memorize everything before speaking. But over-preparing can actually hurt confidence because you get stuck when something unexpected happens. Instead, practice flexibility. Learn key phrases, not scripts. Prepare conversation starters, not full speeches. Focus on the message, not the exact words. Confidence comes from knowing you can adapt, not from trying to control everything. Chapter 5: Celebrate every win, big or small. Every time you speak English, even one sentence, that's a victory. Don't wait for big milestones to feel proud. Celebrate the small steps. I spoke to a stranger today. I watched an English video and understood 50%. I introduced myself in English. Celebrating small wins builds positive reinforcement in your brain. It teaches your mind, "I'm making progress. I'm successful." And that feeling fuels your confidence to keep going. Chapter 6: Build a confidence ritual. Psychologists know that routines create stability. A confidence ritual is a small action you do before speaking English to boost your mood and energy. For example, stand tall for 2 minutes. Say your affirmations aloud. "I am confident. I am capable." Take 3 deep breaths. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Doing this before practicing or speaking prepares your mind and body for success. Confidence isn't just mental. It's physical, it's emotional, it's spiritual. Build habits that align all parts of you. Chapter 7. Stop comparing, start believing. Comparison is the thief of confidence. You see someone speaking fluently and think, "I'll never be like them." But remember, you don't see their journey. You don't see their struggles. You don't see the years they've practiced. Your journey is your own. Instead of comparing, use others as inspiration. If they can do it, so can you. Say this with me. I am on my path. I am enough today. I'm becoming better every day. Chapter 8. Practice speaking even when it's imperfect. The biggest trap is waiting until you feel ready or good enough to speak. But confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after action. The more you speak, the more your brain builds neural pathways for language. The more you use English, the more natural it feels. Don't worry about mistakes. Fluency grows through usage, not silence. Speak imperfectly, speak bravely, speak often. That's how confidence blossoms. Chapter 9. Anchor confidence in your mind. Think back to a time you felt confident. Maybe you aced a test, won a prize, helped someone, or overcame a challenge. Close your eyes. Feel that moment. See it, hear it, feel the pride. Now, choose a word or gesture to anchor that feeling, maybe snapping your fingers, tapping your chest, or saying yes. Next time you need confidence, repeat that anchor. Your brain will reconnect to that powerful feeling. This is a technique from Neuro-Linguistic Programming (NLP), and it works. Chapter 10. See challenges as confidence training. Every challenge you face while learning English is an opportunity to grow stronger. A tough conversation, training. A misunderstanding, training. A moment of embarrassment, training. When you see challenges as confidence exercises, you stop fearing them. You start embracing them. Say this: every challenge is making me stronger. Every obstacle is shaping my confidence. Chapter 11. Be kind to yourself. The journey to confidence isn't a straight line. Some days you'll feel brave. Some days you'll feel small. That's okay. Self-compassion is key. Talk to yourself like you would talk to a dear friend. It's okay. I'm learning. I'll try again tomorrow. Being kind to yourself doesn't make you weak. It makes you resilient. Psychological studies show that self-compassion leads to greater motivation and confidence over time. Chapter 12. Remember why you started. When things get hard, go back to your why. Why are you learning English? To connect with the world, to get a better job, to travel freely, to watch movies without subtitles, to inspire your children. Write your why on a piece of paper. Put it where you can see it. Your why is the fuel that keeps your confidence burning. Conclusion: you are becoming unshakably confident. My dear friend, if you've made it through both parts of this journey, I want you to know something powerful. You are no longer the same person who started. You've learned tools. You've built awareness. You've taken steps forward. Confidence is not a destination you arrive at. It's a path you walk every day. Every time you show up. Every time you speak. Every time you try again, you are proving to yourself, I am brave, I am capable, I am confident. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. I'm here, cheering for you. Your community is here. We're walking with you. Let this be your affirmation today. I believe in myself. I trust my journey. I am confident right now, and growing stronger every day. Keep shining, keep speaking, keep rising, because the world needs your voice. Thank you for being here. See you in the next video.